Hey guys, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particularly, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is a 3-piece set of cookie sheets or baking sheets by Nordic Ware. So this 3-piece sheet is called the Baker's Delight, and I absolutely love them. So let me go over why. So first thing, you are going to get 3 different sizes. You are going to get the quarter sheet, the jelly roll, and the half sheet. To give you an idea of the sizes, so the quarter sheet exterior is 13 inches by 9.5 inches by 1.1 inches. The half sheet is 17.9 inches by 12.9 inches by 1 inch. And the jelly roll is 15.8 inches by 11.3 inches by 1 inch. Now, one of the big things I absolutely like about these, so they're all made of 100% natural aluminum, which is great for keeping things from sticking to them. So you can coat these with either the butters and oils, and it holds up. Just note that you want to kind of avoid acidic stuff. I mean, you can utilize that, but if you use things that have high acid, that can change the color of the aluminum, but you can still cook with it. Now, you're not meant to use on these the non-stick sprays, because if you use those, they'll make them sticky, and they'll definitely change the color. So don't use the non-stick sprays, but you don't need to, because they are made of 100% natural aluminum, which is just naturally non-stick. Now, another thing I absolutely love about them also is the ring around here has a nice stainless steel support in there, and then it's completely encased in that aluminum, so it doesn't bend. You're not going to get oil canning. They're not going to kind of divot or anything on the ends. They're very, very secure, so it makes it easy for putting these in and out of the oven, which is absolutely a great aspect of them. Now, Nordic Ware is also a 100% made in the USA, so that's where these have come from. But overall, if you are looking for some new cookie sheets for your kitchen, I think these are totally worth checking out. If there is something that I didn't quite cover that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That's it till the next video. You guys, take it easy. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.